Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable MQTT notifications on Home Assistant devices. Full guide step by step clearly. To disable MQTT notifications on your Home Assistant devices, first, open your Home Assistant interface. Navigate to the configuration menu, typically found on the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to view your connected devices. Locate the MQTT integration from the list and select it. Within the MQTT integration settings, find the device you wish to modify. Click on the device to access its configuration options. Look for the notifications settings within the device details. To disable notifications, toggle the setting from enabled to disabled. If you are using YAML configuration, open the configuration.yaml file. Locate the MQTT section related to the device you want to modify. Find the notification options under that section. Change the notification field from true to false. Save the changes in your configuration.yaml file. After saving, you will need to restart Home Assistant for the changes to take effect. Return to your Home Assistant dashboard once the restart is complete. Verify that the MQTT notifications for the specified device are now disabled. Repeat these steps for any additional devices you wish to modify. That's it. You have successfully disabled MQTT notifications on your Home Assistant devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.